Hey Rush fam, so we have the Ruthven Towers right in front of us, right here on Ruthven Road in New Kingston. This construction is not yet finished. It's getting there though. They have now finished the perimeter fencing. They're doing some final interior work. And again, this property is the first cluster of 3 R4 clusters. It's been developed by the National Housing Trust, NHT. It has not yet gone on sale, or there is no pricing for it as yet. But as time go by, we'll continue to watch it. And I guess if there's an open house, we try come by and do a video for you guys. So we're starting out the video here. It's a driving video. It's a community drive. We're starting right here on Ruthven Road. We're heading to Waterloo Road. So stay tuned. Grab a seat. Put on your seat belt. And let's head on to a community drive. If you're new to the channel, remember to like every video watch. So there's another entrance here, entrance and exit. This is the main entrance and exit. Gonna do a quick swing around for you guys, because as usual, I'm always bringing you the content first. You see it here first. So this is the main entrance and exit, and then from here you have underground parking for the residents. I have the security post right here, and then this is the side view. Alright, so this is basically a quick glimpse or a quick update on the Ruthven Towers as well. I've done quite a few updates before. I haven't gone on the compound to do a video for you guys as yet. Alright, so from Ruthven Road, we'll head on to Trafalgar Road, and then on to Waterloo Road. So stay tuned, enjoy the ride. Remember to comment as well. Remember to share, and remember to subscribe. So there's also a new construction across the road. I'm gonna do a more in-depth video one of these days, probably a drone video. So far it looks like 1-2 floors. Construction is steel. Not sure what's going there as yet. If any of you guys know, let me know in the comment section. And as I mentioned, I'll try to do a video on it as well. Right in front of the iconic Devon House, right here on Waterloo Road. Alright, so we have the Fontana Pharmacy on the left. It's on the grounds of a old cemetery. They did get permit to construct on it because the cemetery was, what would you say, was inactive for many years. So based on all the checks that were made, it was safe to build on it. Over there they have, you know, different shops other than Fontana Pharmacy. They also have Wendy's, which is a fast food joint. Alright, so as I did mention, it's a community / city drive. So Bedford Park Avenue, right off Waterloo. Recently paved, so at least we don't have to complain about bad roads today. But this is a little quiet community, very secluded. A lot of persons may drive past a million times, you know, and probably don't have a need to come in this community. Lots sizes aren't the biggest, but they have been used up properly in terms of some of them have apartment complexes, some of them have commercial space as well, I guess based on how central it is. So this leads to a close, leads to a dead end. So if we continue straight, you would have brought us onto Constant Spring Road. So it's literally behind Yellow Pages, which is on Constant Spring Road. So it's very central, as I said, very discreet. So these are some of the type houses that are on this road or in this community. Alright, so as usual, if any of you guys have ever resided in any of these community or even still living in any of these community, just let us know in the comment section. Or you probably even know someone that used to live around here. Let us know in the comment section. And then this is Bedford Close, so this leads to another dead end, but since we're here, we're just gonna take a look. Alright, so road finish right here. The road is good though, so the entire area was repaved recently. So no pothole in this community. Would love to see more of that. You know, we can vote for some other community that doesn't have any pothole, but this is one community we can say with confidence has zero pothole. Alright, so very small community, very discreet community, and again just wanted to, you know, show you guys around this side, because that's one of the purpose of the channel, to discover new places, you know. So this was another discovery for some people if you have never been here. And then as you realize up the road is, we're already seeing Waterloo. Alright guys, so remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and if you've watched a few videos and haven't yet subscribed, remember to subscribe as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another driving video, another community drive.